All right, hi friends, let's go ahead and get ready to do our math. Today what we're going to do is we're going to review our position words that we talked about last week. We're going to talk about beside, above, below, in front of, next to, and behind. So what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to open up your math workbook, and I'm going to ask you to open up to page 609, and I'll get real close there so you can see it. Oop, I'm trying to get close there. There you go. Page 609 in your math book, okay? And you're going to be looking for this page. You're going to see with the red arrow up at the top. Remember, that's our My Review page. And you're going to see the jungle. You're going to see the palm trees. You're going to see the monkeys. And you're going to see the lion cubs, okay? All right, we're going to be working on that page. So go ahead and find that page in your math book. If you need to pause to find it, go right ahead. I'm going to be right here. Okay, let's take a look at our picture. We're going to check some of those vocabulary words that we were talking about last week, those position words. Beside, above, below, next to, in front of, and behind, okay? The first thing that I want to do is I want to draw another bird flying above the trees. Well, let's put our finger on the tree. Okay, here's the tree. If I'm looking for above, well, I already see one bird above my tree. Can you draw another bird above the tree? Okay, I'm going to draw another bird above the tree. Here's my tree. Here's a bird above. I'm going to draw another bird above my tree. Okay? Now, can you find the animal that is behind the tree? Can you find the animal that is behind the tree? Well, let's look at our trees. Okay, let's look at this tree. Is there any animal behind that tree? No, then they're not talking about that tree, are they? They must be talking about this tree. Let's take a look at this tree. Is there an animal behind this tree? Yes, there is. That's right. It's the lion, and he is behind the tree. Very good. All right, let's go to our next one. Now, I want to draw a coconut beside a monkey. Draw a coconut beside a monkey. Well, let's take a look and let's see. All right, so I've got a couple of different monkeys here. I've got a couple monkeys here. I want to draw a coconut. A coconut looks like a big, almost like a pineapple in some ways, but it's round like that, but it's real fuzzy and it kind of looks like it has hairs on it and things like that. So I want to draw a coconut beside a monkey. All right, I have this monkey and I have this monkey and I have this monkey. It looks like I have the most space right here. So if I wanted to draw a coconut beside this monkey, where would I put it? Very good. I would put it right there. Excellent. Okay, so that coconut is now beside my monkey. All right, next one. Now I want to draw a monkey next to one of the lion cubs. I want to draw a monkey next to the lion cubs. All right, so let's take a look at the lion cubs. All right, here are my lion cubs right here. I want to draw a monkey next to them. So I'm going to draw my monkey. Very good. I'm going to draw my monkey right here next to my lion cubs. Okay, so I'm drawing a monkey next to one of the lion cubs. Very good. Now I want to find the monkey that is below the branch. Well, let's take a look at our branches here. I have this branch. Is there a monkey below this branch? No. Is there a monkey below either of these branches? No, but let's take a look at this branch. Is there a monkey below the branch here? Yes, there is. Very good. So I'm going to circle the monkey that is below the branch. Very good. Now I want to find the lions that are in front of a tree. I want to find the lions that are in front of a tree. So let's take a look at this tree first. Do I have any lions in front of that tree? Nope, no lions in front of that tree. All right, let's just check on this tree again. We said this lion was behind the tree. Very good. If I look at this tree, do I have any lions in front of this tree? Yes, I do. I have this group of lions right in front of my tree. Very good. All right, you're going to go ahead and turn your page for me. Okay, you're going to go ahead and turn your page for me. And now we're going to look at this page. So put your finger on number 1 in the blue circle for me. Okay, I want to find the bubble that is above or over the bottle of bubbles. I want to find the bubble that is above or over the bottle of bubbles. Which bubble would that be? Very good. And I'm going to put an X on that bubble that is above the bottle of bubbles. Very good. All right, go ahead and put your finger on number 2 in the blue circle. I want to find the flower that is below the green flower. I want to find the flower that is below or under the green flower. So let's take a look. Here's the green flower. Which flower is below or under the green flower? Very good. The orange one is. Let's draw a box around that so we know that that is the flower that is below or under the green flower. Okay? Now, number 3 in the blue circle. I have an empty crayon box there. I want to draw a crayon that is next to the box. And remember, next to can also be beside. Very good. I want to draw a crayon next to the box. Can you draw a crayon that's next to the box for me? Very good. And we would draw it right there. Very good. Okay. Number 4 in the blue circle. Let's look at the dog bowl. I want to put a dog bone beside the bowl. Beside the bowl. Okay, so let's take a look. If this is the dog bowl, where would I put that bone so it was beside the dog bowl? Would I put it up here? No, that would be over. Would I put it here? No, that would be under. Beside or next to would be right here. Very good. All right. Now you're going to flip. You're going to slide right over in your book. And let's take a look at the park page. Let's take a look at the park page, okay? Can you find the object that is above the dog? Now remember, above can be above or over. So let's find the dog. What object is above the dog? Very good, the Frisbee is. So let's circle that Frisbee because that object is above or over the dog. Very good. Can you find the animal that is next to the black cat? Okay, so let's find the black cat. Here's the black cat. Which animal is next to the black cat? Very good. The gray cat is. So we're going to put an X on that cat because he is next to or beside the black cat. Okay? Now, can you draw a bird below the sun? Well, let's find the sun. Here's the sun. Can you draw a bird below the sun? Very good. Okay? And last one. Now listen very carefully. Can you find the object that is on the blanket next to the girl with the red book? All right, so here's the girl with the red book. They want the object. That means a thing that is next to the girl with the red book. So let's look. There's a boy with a book, and there is a basket next to her. Which object or thing is next to the girl with the red book? Very good. The basket, because the basket, and we're going to underline it, the basket is a thing. This is a person. We wanted the thing or object that is next to the girl with the red book, and that would be the basket. Very good. All right, let's go to the last page. We've seen this page already, but they're going to have us look at it again for some different things, okay? So listen very carefully. We're back at, right, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Can you find the butterfly that is above the flower pot? Where is the butterfly that is above the flower pot? And can you put an X on it? Well, here's a butterfly, right? But is there a flower pot? No. Let's look over here. Here's a flower pot. Is this butterfly above it? Yes, it is. So we're going to put an X on it. Very good. All right. Can you find the animal that is in front of Baby Bear? Can you find the animal that is in front of Baby Bear? Okay, here's Baby Bear. Where's the animal that's in front? Very good. The raccoon is. So we're going to draw a box around the raccoon. Very good. Okay. Can you now find the bees that are below the beehive? Find the bees that are below the beehive. Okay, so here's our beehive. Where are the bees that are below the beehive? This bee is beside the beehive. Very good. What word would we use to describe where these bees are? Very good. These bees are below the beehive. So we're going to draw a circle around them. Very good. All right. Now, last thing we're going to look for on this page. Can you find the window that is beside the door and circle it? Circle the window that is beside the door. So here's the door. Now there are two windows. Which window is beside the door? And we're going to draw a circle around it. Very good. Because we would use what word to describe this window? This window is above the door. All right. Excellent job, my friends. That wraps up our chapter on position words: above, below, under, over, next to, and beside. Tomorrow we're going to start talking about shapes, and we're going to be looking at the different characteristics of the shape, how many corners they have, how many points they have, how many sides they have. And towards the end of the week, you're going to use shapes to make a really cool superhero. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to start with shapes. Great job finishing up with position words, and I will see you later on. Bye, friends.